Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation. Okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Dinda Puspitasari and my partner is Andini Afita Ayu, Syafin Pristiwayuning Ramadhani, Mirsa Nurul Layina, Ridho Muhammad Fikri, and Fikri Aulia Akbar. We are from Group 2. Okay, sir, in this presentation, we will discuss about species Phasicentis and species Radinorhynchus from phylum Acanthocephala. Let's watching in our presentation. First, I will explain to you about classification Phasicentis. Classification Phasicentis. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Acanthocephala. Class Peleacanthocephala. Order Echinorinchida. Family Phasicentidae. Genus Phasicentis. Species Phasicentis sp.
And then, in the first picture, we show the parts Phasicentis. A. The apical portion of the proboscis hook armature. B. Quincuncial hook arrangement, cephalic ganglion and club shape of the proboscis. C. Egg membranes, some acanther structure. Hooks on embryo and body spines are along lateral margins of acanther. D. Proboscis. E. Notches, protuberance, etc. F. Anterior root extension and hooks with no posterior root extension. The general morphology of the genus Phasicentis is worms elongate, often ribbon-like, flat-10 upon recovery. Trunk and all-shaped structure, large in females than males. Trunk with its near posterior end of double-wheeled proboscis receptacle. Proboscis long, cylindrical and with nearly parallel sides. Large hooks in anterior third of not strongly reserved roots and rarely recurved anterior. Root simple, unmodified, difficult to distinguish in whole mounds. Number of prominent nuclei associated with the posterior end of the proboscis receptacle wall between 5 and 12 in the other pouch, and 5 and 50 by the inner wall. May be more numerous in females than males. Ganglion in posterior side of proboscis receptacle, lemnisci about a coil in leg to proboscis receptacle, usually unicoel in leg and occasionally loop, in 2 males and 3 females. Transverse commissures of male lateral lacunar canals extensively branch in middle of trunk, but usually less so near posterior end, branching occasionally less extensive, and are transverse commissures wide in diameter than lateral canal.
Predilection, host, and life cycle. Predilection and host. The predilection of this parasite is in freshwater fish that usually attach to sessa, or more rarely in the anterior portion of the intestine with stems stretching along the intestinal tract. Life cycle. Phasicentis sp. is a dioecious parasite with a polygynous marriage system. Males have a short lifespan and are very competitive for access to unmarried females, with a large body size likely to provide greater reproductive result. Regardless of whether females are picky or this is unknown, they live longer than males to produce offspring in suitable microhabits, where nutritional resources are abundant. Therefore, the men and women must develop different strategies to deal with different selective results.
Classification of Radinorhynchus is Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Acanthocephala, Class Peleacanthocephala, Order Cynorhynchidae, Family Radinorhynchidae, Genus Radinorhynchus, Species Radinorhynchus sp. Predilection Identification key and has. Identification key of Radinorhynchus is the presence of small spines such as are absent from the posterior edge of the proboscis container. There are some small differences in the larger hook size, testicular size, and egg size between populations. Radinorhynchus species predilection is usually found in the intestine of fish, and host of this species is fish, freshwater, and marine.
Morphology Radinorhynchus. In the picture A, single infection with one instance of Radinorhynchus sp. in the cephalothorax cavity or a row. B. The spines of anterior part of the body in general view. C. The fields of spines separate by a space without spines or a row. In the last picture, proboscis basal circle purple.
Life cycle of Radinorhynchus. A. Embryonate eggs. B. Acanthor. C. Early acanthella at 10 days. D. Acanthella at 14 days. E. Acanthella at 18 days. Late male acanthella at 24 days. Late female acanthella at 24 days. Early male crustaceans at 26 days. Early female crustacean at 26 days. Male crustaceans at 34 days. Female crustaceans at 34 days. Up and apical nucleus. Cerebral ganglion nuclei. Gonad nuclei. Gonadal primordium. Primordium. Proboscis apertus primordium. Proboscis invertor nuclei. Proboscis nuclear ring. Uncinogenous bands.
Morphology Radinorhynchus. In the picture A, single infection with one instance of Radinorhynchus sp. in the cephalothorax cavity or a row. B. The spines of anterior part of the body in general view. C. The fields of spines separate by a space without spines or a row. In the last picture, proboscis basal circle purple.
Thank you for your attention to watching our presentation. Sorry if we have the fault of the words and the speaking. Sorry and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.